So what is the laziest way to make money online right now? I'm going to be uncovering these 5 ways to actually make money the lazy way. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. So if you're new here, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? Without further ado, let's get right into today's business. Come with me, guys. Do you know that you can complete online paid surveys? I made $350 in 1 hour. Yes, just by completing a survey online. And the website that I use is called usertest.com. What you need to do is this. Hold up. I know people say, oh, I just see gigs for like $20, $10. Hello. When you get on the website, go to the filter section. Go ahead and filter from the highest paying to the lowest paying. Don't just go on the page and start searching. You're going to waste your time. They have thousands of jobs. You have to filter through. Just use the filter session. Thank me later. Guys, you already know by now that on this channel, it's all about making money, helping you discover new ways to make money for yourself from the comfort of your home. Guys, I have been broke before and I understand exactly what it means, what it feels like not to be able to afford the things that you really want, that you really love, or you're at the mercy of someone else. It's I don't know. For me, it looks like you are in prison. Yes, you don't have that freedom to do what you want when you want to do it. You're actually waiting. Oh, wait till next week. I wait till the end of the month. Oh, wait till I get this. Nah, you don't want to be at the mercy of anybody. I'm going to share with you. I'll uncover various ways to start making money from the comfort of your home starting from today. So come with me, guys. Let's go. Now, do you know that online paid surveys provide opportunities to people who want to know how to earn money online as a student or as a stay-at-home mom or dad? Now, companies pay for consumer opinions to prove their products and their services, and this method requires minimal effort. It's a lazy way to make money during your spare time. Now, it is easy to make some extra cash. All you need to do is sign up on these survey websites, complete your profile to receive relevant surveys. They will always email you surveys from time to time. Now, the more surveys you complete, the more you earn money. It's one of the best side hustles to make money, yes, allowing you to work around your study schedule. And there are more to know. There's swagbox.com, there's surveyjunkie, there's solana.com, Vindale Research, and of course there's usertesting.com. As for the skills, the basic skills you need are just basic computer skills, attention to details, and that's about it. Do you know you can also make money as an affiliate marketer? Guys, affiliate marketing just involves promoting products and earning a commission through every sale with your referral link. It is effective, especially if you have a solid online presence, maybe you have a blog or you have a social media following, and you can make significant income, yes, by creating engaging content and recommending those products. Examples of these websites are Amazon Associates, Flipkart Associates, Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, and you can earn a lot of money every month, thousands of dollars depending on your audience size and your engagements. The skills you need are just digital marketing, SEO, content creation, and of course social media presence. The next one is something that you see me do right now. It is starting a YouTube channel. Yes, creating a YouTube channel can be a fun and profitable way to make money, to start making money. You can attract viewers, earn money through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise, and you can upload engaging content in a niche that actually interests you. So whether it's educational content, entertainment, tutorials, YouTube provides a platform to reach a unique audience. Build a substantial following, the income potential can be significant. And just so you know, you can earn thousands of dollars on YouTube every month through ad revenue, through sponsorship. All you need, the skills you need are just video production, editing, content, and marketing. Now, do you also know that you can sell stocks online? Yes, you can sell your photo, yes, photography online. Simply put, you can sell stock images and your videos online. These days, most students or even stay-at-home moms, they have smartphones in their pockets. Smartphones with good cameras can be a great earning potential for students. However, students with a good financial background can use a professional camera. And there are websites to sell your stock photos like shutterstock.com. They pay for high-quality visuals, and it's a great way to monetize your photography skills and earn passive income. You can also generate a steady income stream just by building a portfolio of high-quality images and videos. Now, some of the websites where you can get this done are Getty Images, iStock.com, Pexels.com, yes, Shutterstock.com, and AdobeStock.com, even Canva as well. I know them because I use these websites. The skills you require are just photography skills, videography skills, and editing, as well as knowledge of copyright. So the next thing you can do is to perform online data entry jobs. Data entry jobs are straightforward and they require minimal skills, which is, it makes them an ideal one for students, ideal gig. These jobs involve just entering data into computer system, physical full documents, or even from audio. Online earning websites offer data entry tasks. It can be a repetitive work, but you know what? Earning money online without needing specialized marketing skills or even specialized skills, it's super easy. And there are websites where you can make it happen. Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, Clickworker.com, AmazonMechanicalTurk.com. All you need to know how to do is type fast, attention to detail, basic computer skills. And guys, the list is endless. There are so many ways to actually make money from the comfort of your home. And I always say this, there is no millionaire that you know in this world that only does one thing. All of them, pretty much, literally all, because I've spent a lot of time studying millionaires and billionaires over time. They have multiple streams of income. That's why I come here from time to time and I share different ways, various ways to actually make money from the comfort of your home. If you have watched this video up till this point, I want to say a big thank you. Do want to like this video, do want to share this video, tell a friend, and please introduce yourselves in the comments, and I have a free gift for you. Introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And to all my returning subscriber, thank you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. If this is your first time, do not make it your last. Please make sure that you turn on the notification bell after subscribing to my channel. Of course, join the family and do well to share this video with your friends. Here is my free gift. Is it a gift? Yes. I'm doing a giveaway on this channel. All you need to do is go ahead and join my Telegram community. Number one, you join my Telegram community, then add 50 people into my Telegram community and I will give you $100 cash. Yes, I'm selecting random people. So once you are done bringing in 50 people into the Telegram community, I will send you the money from anywhere you are in the world. So that is it. And yes, if you have watched till this point, I have an extra gift for you. If you want to find out how to make $1,850, yes, or even more on a particular platform, no one has ever talked about it. Just email me and I'll send it to you. I think I did it for one of my videos and I sent the link to those people that emailed me. As long as you watch the video till this point, just send me an email and request for the name of the website that pays as much as 1,000. They pay more than that, for some of the gigs that they have there. But yes, reach out to me via email and I'll send you the name of the website. You're welcome. We know ourselves on this channel. Our loyal followers, we know them. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing and I am so proud of you. It's all about making money and I can't wait to see you attain financial freedom and financial prosperity. Take care guys and bye for now. I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me go and make some cash right now.